Okay, so I did the second most important prep for Ramadan, and that is the chutney cubes. So I've taken some mint here, and I'm just separating the leaves from the stems because the stems of the mint are too thick. Then I just take some coriander or cilantro, whatever you call it. Just chop off the end of the coriander, and you don't need to really separate the leaves from the stems and everything. And then just clean the chilies, get rid of all the garbage. You have to keep cleaning while you're working. It makes your life so much easier, and you can just focus on actually what you're doing. Then wash everything thoroughly. Then this is the mixer grinder. Everybody was asking about it, that where did I get the mixer grinder from. I bought it from Timu, but it's out of stock there. Or yeah, these are the garlic cubes that I froze yesterday in my reel, and this is how they look. They're very easy to separate. Anyway, so I added some almonds in the chutney mixture and the garlic, and you have to just basically eyeball all the ingredients. I like my chutney cubes very spicy, so I add a lot of chilies in there. You can definitely reduce the amount. Once your mixture is ready, you can just put it in the Ziploc bag and spread it. First zip it halfway through so you don't trap any air inside, then zip it all the way through. Then use the blunt side of the knife to separate the chutney mixture into cubes. Whenever you want to make the chutney, just take a cube out, mix it with some yogurt and salt, and your chutney is ready.